is anchor life. Oh my god. This is crazy.
Grace is filming you, Brian. You guys are going nuts over there.
Ah. So is OneLife.
Ah.
So are we.
Getting seasick now. It's just what we need.
That's terrible. Oh god, they're really accelerating now.
That's insane.
These waves are massive. The boat is rolling like 30 degrees.
I think I need one of those flopper stoppers that the California
People
boats have.
It'd be nice if we pointed as well.
Yeah, why is Delos pointed that way?
There's no wind anywhere, like where? I just don't get like where they're coming from. We're not on the ocean. There's zero wind. Like what is generating this? This is a roll.
I mean, it's like sort of tolerable for a bit, and then once we get going, then we really start moving.
This incredibly rolly anchorage is called Los Gatos, located in the Sea of Cortez off Mexico's western coast. We arrived yesterday in very different conditions.
Oh, Gary's gonna try a stern anchor. I think we'll see how that goes. So, Will's trying to dig out our stern anchor right now. Of course we have the spotting paint that we've been sailing around with for some time, so we have to remove that first. And we're gonna try the stern anchor because it looks like that worked well for Brooke and Gary. We haven't used this since Hurricane Dorian in Canada, which was
Well, like 2019 maybe?
Bees are back.
The bees!
So this anchorage is one of those so far that seems to be very bee full. You could see last night this happened. We woke up this morning to these guys all in there dead. So we're not sure what's going on. I think that maybe they're just drinking too much water at one time and then dying, but
Great! We're rolling that far, huh?
I can see it through the water.
Hi, Gary.
The stern anchor definitely helps.
Yeah, I'm getting ours rigged up right now.
Took us a while because we had to take all the paint out.
It was buried. And the anchor.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, it's violent this morning.
Yeah.
There's no wind. Like what?
I just wanted to wake up and have some breakfast.
Yeah.
And I like ran around like putting our hard drives away and making sure stuff wasn't flying.
I know. Same here.
Put back. Yeah, I'll grind her over there. Thanks, Gary. Be interesting trying to get the dinghy down in this. On the dab, it'd be like snapping everything.
We had to drop our dinghy in because it was like hitting the water on the side.
You guys were really rolling. I got some great footage of you guys.
You guys were too.
Yeah, I'm
And we
sure.
probably couldn't tell.
I couldn't get footage of you because I couldn't stand up.
I know, it was not easy.
Oh, there we start going again.
Oh.
Holy yeah, like we're gonna roll in here.
Jeez.
Can I pull you over? You got enough flying the winch?
I could pull it on the winch, yeah.
Any more, you think?
It's all twisted up now. You want to just drop it down? I'm about at the end of my line. Well, not quite, but.
Scary.
That's much better.
Yeah. It is.
Stern anchor for the wind.
Ooh, thank God. It was really getting bad right then. It was like crescendoing.
Yeah, starting to peak, huh?
Okay, I really need coffee now.
Thank you. Kind of a weird one. I'm actually on my own tonight. Grace left me. I'm a bachelor. Karin wasn't feeling good on Delos. She had a pretty high fever last night, so they decided to run to town late in the afternoon, and I don't have the speed to make it to town before dark, so I stayed back, but Grace went on Delos to help out with help Brian at the sail and help with Sierra.
So I am just steering because Brian's got a fish on the line. And since the autopilot's not working, we can't put that on. And none of us have the hands to grab a camera. So, oh, I just headed way up. Is it a big one, Brian?
Yes, it's not huge, it's pretty good size.
Nice.
So, I'm gonna make myself a bachelor meal here. I have some leftover rice, some canned chicken, some onions. I'm gonna make like bachelor burritos or bachelor tacos. Yeah, I'm just kind of sitting here in air conditioning doing some work because I don't know, be productive. They're about 50 miles away. But yeah, leaving at 2 p.m. I don't have the speed to make it there. Delos can probably do 7-8 knots, whereas we can only do like 6. So yeah, so I don't think Grace and I have been separated like, I don't know, probably last time we were apart was 2020 when Grace sailed up Delos. So it's kind of weird. It's been 2 straight years with every single day together. So the boat feels a little empty right now, but yeah, I'll make the best of it. Got a little rice left over, some canned chicken, some cheese, some onions, some hot sauce. Not doing too bad here for a bachelor, huh, guys? Getting ready to make a move here shortly. Have to get our stern anchor up and try to lift up out the dinghy though. Okay, so that worked. So I got the stern anchor up with no issue. Just used a winch to do it and put the dinghy back in the water, which was nice. I just kind of pushed the boat over it and popped it out. I'm on my own today, so I'm going to get the anchor up, and I think I'm going to try to fly a spinnaker. Seems like it's the right angle for where we're heading today. Trying to catch up with Grace and Delos. They're like 50 miles away, so we're going to do like a hop at 20 today and a hop at another 20 tomorrow or so. because I'm on my own, I'm just making sure everything was rigged correctly and free and clear. Make sure it was an hourglass or anything like that. It's much easier to do that on anchor than it is out there. You got to do extra preparation when you're by yourself with a spinnaker too. You can't have it go sideways on you, hourglass or anything like that, because no one's here to help me. So I think it's ready to go though. Okay, sock is ready. I just need to be able to turn the corner to get more downwind. And there's a little bit of a shoal right dead ahead here, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn. Since I'm by myself, I'm gonna put a little bit of sheet pressure on to hopefully help the hoist. I'm gonna have to pop it and then come back and pull it in myself, so get that ready. All right, wish me luck, guys. I haven't done this in a while on my own. Not too shabby. Got the kite up okay. You can still see the rip kind of coming undone a little bit up there, but luckily we're in talk of precision to get a new spinnaker, so that'll be good. We'll have that in a few months, hopefully. We're doing like 4.5 knots. I could almost get the main up, 123. It's sort of very borderline. I can't really carry the main much more past 125 apparent. You can see that I opted to go with the main speed at about a knot maybe. So 0.8 of a knot, 0.85. Hear the wake bubbling along nicely now. So I think that's the right call. Doing a little wing on wing action here. Ghosting along, trying to round this corner here. I have to go more to port, so I'm just kind of trying to hold this angle as long as I can before I have to douse the kite. Maybe jibe it back over or just motor. It's only like 2 miles after this. We'll see how much wind exists behind that mountain range over there. That panel doesn't look so hot. Oops. Pretty fun sailing. It did about 17 miles, averaged like 4.7 or so. I think I'm gonna snuff this kite before I run out of runway here. There's rock coming up, the anchorage is somewhere in there. Made it okay in here. Another, I guess, like Mexican little fishing village, maybe. I really wanted to go in there, but there's already a boat in there. That anchorage looks pretty sweet.
The next day, Bill sets sail to complete the remainder of the 50-mile journey towards Loreto, where I am helping on Delos. By the end of the day, Calico Skies is safely anchored in Honeymoon Cove, just south of Loreto, and Delos arrives soon after into the same anchorage, where Bill and I will be reunited after our now 4-day separation.
Grace is coming back with Delos. Definitely hear Sierra screaming Grace. I think she spotted our boat and is excited about it. She usually sees our boats together. She comes out and looks for our boat. She knows the shape. But a pretty night here at this mountain. And Delos coming in just as the sun is going down. Look who's back.
I'm back. and I'm happy to be here. It was a long few days, but Kaza is feeling better, and it makes me so happy. I was so happy that I was able to go. Like, it just worked out because I was definitely needed, and yeah, it was just nice to be able to help friends, and it was a little scary there for a minute, so just feels so good to know that she's okay. This place is insane.
So peaceful too.
This is the prettiest spot we've been in the Sea of Cortez so far, like by a lot. The water is green
And clear.
and you can see
Like 30 feet down.
30 feet down. The backdrop with these mountains is out of control. And then these are the mountains in our cove, and then we have these mountains across the way from our boat. Delos is over there. Wow. Different kind of bird.
Yeah, I don't know what that is, but it's pretty cool
Oh
looking.
my god.
Like a heron of some sort, huh?
But it's fatter than a heron.
Okay, there you go. Look at that. Buddy.
Wow. Huh.
Cool bird.
Yeah.
Yeah, at first I thought that bird was a rock, but then I looked, I was like, hey, kind of like a bird or a statue shape,
so
but it's sitting so still, it's kind of...
Wow.
Pretty cool crane, though. Or heron, or... Does he have one leg up, or is that...
He's
he's
got
sitting on
one
one
leg
leg.
up, yeah.
He's just kind of like... Kind of strange, huh?
Okay, we should get out of his little territory.
Yeah, I don't think he's glad by listening here.
Oh.
There he goes.
There's fish in the water.
Oh, dude, like
Just crazy. I know, they're everywhere. This place is so pretty, I can't get over it. It's just absolutely... Oh, big rock.
Oops. Imagine I hit that. That would have been a problem.